By 2026, AI will erase 85 million jobs. Maybe yours, maybe mine. But it's also creating 97 million new ones. The real question is, who's going to grab them first? The game has changed. These aren't just tech jobs anymore. They're AI-proof careers, built for the next decade. The prompt strategist, they don't just talk to AI, they command it. They're paid to tell machines what to think, and no algorithm can outsmart human imagination. The AI ethicist, the conscience of the code, when data decides who gets care and who doesn't. They protect what matters most, trust, because empathy can't be automated. The Agentic AI engineer, they build minds that run themselves. LangChain, AutoGPT, the tools of tomorrow, available today. Those who master them will lead. Those who don't will work for those who did. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. So, what's your next move? Comment your pick below. Prompt, ethics, or Agentic. Like this video if you're ready to level up. And hit subscribe right now to learn the skills that make you truly unreplaceable. Only here. Only on this channel.